In today's industrial world, Noria Corporation is your trusted partner in achieving lubrication-enabled reliability. Machine wear due to contamination and improper lubrication amount to the greatest impact on unscheduled downtime and lost production, all of which is controllable through better lubrication practices. This is our mission. Let's explore our core services designed to achieve those objectives. Training is where excellence begins. Noria is the global leader in machinery lubrication and oil analysis courses, which provide comprehensive practical knowledge. Our trainers with decades of experience ensure your team learns to implement best practices that reduce waste and extend equipment life. Whether in person or online, Noria's training transforms your team into lubrication experts. Our consulting services are backed by decades of experience and customized to your needs. We conduct in-depth lubrication program assessments using Noria's exclusive Ascend methodology to uncover inefficiencies. Noria's experts then implement strategies that optimize your lubrication practices, increase equipment reliability, and cut maintenance costs. With a lubrication program backed by Noria's best practices, you don't just detect your current problems, you prevent problems in the future. Noria's publications are your go-to resource for staying ahead in the industry. With renowned titles like Machinery Lubrication and Reliable Plant, we provide practical insights, case studies, and technical articles that empower you to implement the latest lubrication technologies and solutions. These resources and tools, including an extensive library of articles and white papers, are designed to support your continuous improvement journey. To share the most current knowledge, for over 25 years, Noria has hosted the industry-leading Reliable Plant Conference and Exhibition. These unparalleled events bring together the industry leaders, experts, and practitioners. Noria's conferences are your opportunity to learn from the best, network with peers, and discover the latest innovations in lubrication and reliability. Join us at Reliable Plant and be part of a community dedicated to moving the industry forward. With Noria's comprehensive training, expert consulting, invaluable publications, and our annual Reliable Plant Conference, we provide you with a comprehensive set of tools to achieve lubrication excellence. Visit Noria.com to discover how we can help drive your success forward.